Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles from Dexter's lab. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a small pinch of citric acid for that extra zing. You'll also need your trusty popsicle molds and sticks. Make sure all your lab equipment, kitchen tools, are perfectly clean and ready for this delicious experiment. This ensures a pure and tasty result. Now let's get to the mixing phase. Combine your 1 cup of fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that pinch of citric acid into a mixing beaker or a bowl. Stir the concoction thoroughly, ensuring the sugar is completely dissolved. This step is crucial for a consistent flavor throughout your popsicle. Once mixed, carefully pour the liquid into your prepared popsicle molds, filling them almost to the top. With your molds filled, it's time for the freezing process. Gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each filled mold. Make sure the sticks are straight for easy handling later. Carefully transfer your molds to the freezer, ensuring they remain upright to prevent any spills. Now, the waiting game begins. Allow at least 4 hours for your popsicles to freeze completely solid, or even overnight for best results. Once frozen, your Dexter's Lab popsicles are ready. To release them, simply run a little warm water over the outside of the mold for a few seconds. This helps loosen the popsicle without melting it too much. Gently pull on the stick, and voila! You have a delicious, refreshing treat. Enjoy your scientific creation. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. It's a simple way to keep things fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.